Okay, so we are going to start with MS Monday 28th of March 2022, 12:20 to 1:20 p.m. Chapter 1. So do exercises using textbook. Refer textbook. Exercise 1A, 1B, 2A, 2B, 3A, 3B, 4A, 4B. Then page 16. And then exercise 2, 3, 4, 5, page 18, exercise 1B, 2B, and 2D, page 21. So determine a function when the composite function and one of the functions are given. So we look at example 10, composite means got more than one functions. So given fx is equal to x minus 2, okay, then we need to find function g. So there are two A and B different thing to find. Okay, the G here is inside, and the G here is outside. So if inside, okay, given fgx equal to ax minus 7. So if you want to find inside, so from the given fx equal to x minus 2, fx equal to x minus 2, so you put g in front of the x, so can fgx. So you got the gx in front. That's how you find the gx. Okay, so you put in front of the g in front here of the x, and then g also you put in front here. So become gx minus 2, gx minus 2 equal to fgx. So fgx given is ax minus 2, minus 7. So you put ax minus 7. So from here, gx equal to ax minus 7, negative 2 bring over plus 2. So we get gx equal to ax minus 7 plus 2, get minus 5. Then because it's a function notation, you must change back to function notation. So g double dot x arrow sign 8x minus 5. This one is easier lah. So the second one will be a bit confusing. Okay, so the g is outside. So given gfx equal to x squared plus g3x minus 5. So gfx equal to x squared plus 3x minus 5. So we put a bracket to separate the g and the fx. So when you separate the g and fx, okay, that because why you want to separate the fx and the gx? Because fx is given x minus 2. Fx equal to x minus 2. That's why I separate it. So this fx equal to x minus 2. If fx I replace with x minus 2, fx here I replace with x minus 2. Okay. So inside here also you need to replace with x minus 2. But you cannot simply replace like this. So you must follow this method. Okay. Let's say fx equal to y. X you map to y, so that means fx equal to x minus 2 equal to y. So you want to take x will be y plus 2. Okay, so you want to get x, so negative 2 bring over become y plus 2. Okay, you can ignore this one. No problem, very confusing. So you want to get fx equal to y plus 2. X is going to get x, sorry. You get y plus 2. So y plus 2 over here, because fx you change to y. So this one also become y plus 2. Or must be in the terms of y, no more x. So the gfx equal to x squared plus 3x minus 5. So the fx over here, I change to y, because I change to y. Then this x also I change to y plus 2. So the x I replace with y plus 2 square plus 3, x I replace with y plus 2 minus 5. Okay, so this one straight away the fx become y. Then from here, you need to expand it to simplify it again. So expand it, okay? To expand it, you must understand there's one method to extend it faster. When it's a square, that means over here it must be y times y square, okay? Then this is 2 times square, 2 square, 2 power 2 or 2 square, you get 4. Then to multiply inside here, because this square is, there are 2 square, okay? So it's 2 times y times 2. So you get 2 times 2 is 4, 4 times y is 4y. So you got this one answer faster this way, because we don't have much time in calculating using long method in MS. Then you must expand this one, open up the bracket, 3 times y, 3y plus 3 times 2, you get 6 minus 5. So y square, because there's only one y square, and then this 4y and 3y must add up together, you get 7y. Then this 4 plus 6 minus 5, you get 5. Then from y here, I need to change to x because I need to find the function g must be in terms of x. So this one, both also must change to x. Okay, so become x squared plus 7x plus 5, all in notation. Okay, notation function, because it's all in notation function. Okay, now solving problems involving composite functions. Okay, so function f is defined with this one. Okay, fx equal to 1 over x power 2 with x not equal to 0. Because if 0, because 1 over 0, you get infinity. So impossible, so cannot. That's why you must have uh, this terms, what you cannot have for the x. So x must not be equal to 0. So we express f square x, f power 3x, and f power 4x in the simplest form. So we look here, you want to express in simplest form, you must find the fx given is 1 over x power 2. When you x power 2, you change on top, become x power negative 2. Okay, this is the basic method that you need to know first. So f power 2x, because when we find f power 2x, f power 3x, and f power 4x. So f power 2x, that means ff. 2f, you get f power 2. So fx just now is x, 1 over x power 2. So you can write 1 over x power 2. Why I change to this one? Later on, you understand why I change to this form. Okay, so you put this one, 1 over x power 2. Don't put this one first. Okay, 1 over x power 2. Then this one must put inside the f. So 1 over x power 2, okay, put inside the f x, okay, become 1 over bracket 1 over x power 2 square. 1 over 1 over x power 2 square. Okay, so this one, when you solve it, you get x power 4. Because 1 power 2, you get 1. X power 2, you get 4. Okay, x power 2, you get 4. X power 4, you can put on top, the x power 4 will get like this. Because 1 divided by 1 is 1. Okay, so x power 4, then you change to uh, x power base to x power 2, that means it's x power 2 power 2, because 2 power 2 is 4, okay? Because we need to know the pattern, okay? So if let's say f power 3, f power 3 is f times f bracket f power 2x, because we got the f power 2x, so we can borrow the f power 2x. Okay, so you will get f power 2x is x power 4. Don't use this one now, but it's to find. So f x power 4, then x power 4 replace inside fx. So it's 1 over bracket x 1 over on the 1 over bracket x power 4 square equal to, okay, 1 x power 4 power 2, 4 times 2, 4 times 2, you get 8. There is multiply, it's bracket, it's multiply the basic for indices. So it's x power 8. When x power 8, you change to negative, that means the x power 8 bring on top, will be x power negative 8. X power negative 8, that means it's x power negative 2 power 3. Okay, this one is 2 power 2, now it's 2 power 3. So the next one, this one is positive, this one negative, the next one should be positive, and then it's x power from 3 become 4. You see the pattern? Okay, this is to show you the pattern now. Then for f power 4x, you need to find this one. If f bracket f power 3, f power 3 is just now we got it, is 1 over x power 8. So it's f 1 bracket 1 over x power 8. 1 over x power 8 replace inside the x. So it's 1 over x power 8 bracket power 2. So it's 1 over bracket 1 over x power 8 bracket power 2. So it's 1 power 2 is 1. 8 x power 8 times power 2 is 8 times 2 is 16. So here bottom 8 power x power 16, put on top will be x power 16. Okay, x power 16, x power 2 times power 4. That's how you get 16. So can you see 2, 3, 4. Positive, negative, positive, negative, and so on. Now that is the pattern. Then you say find f power 22x and f power 33x. So from the pattern in A, we can deduce that f power n, okay, where x power negative 2 power n, when n is odd, when this is odd, and then this one also odd. You see, this 3, this 3, this 4, this 4, this 2, this 2, this 1, so here also 1. Okay, negative, negative, positive, positive. So when n is odd, so here is odd, here also odd, same value. Okay, n is positive. Okay, so n is n is odd, so here will be negative, n is odd. Here n is even, n is even, n is even, here will be positive. That's the difference. So F22 is even, so here become positive. So 22, here become 22. So if here is 33 odd, here also 33 odd, here will be negative. Follow the pattern. So two answers are. So we look at example 12. Total production of Q goods per day by a factory depends on the number of workers N, and the function is modeled by Qn equal to 10n minus 1 over 4n squared. Total revenue per day R in Rm received from a sale of Q goods is modeled by the function Rq equal to 40Q. Determine total revenue of the factory in one day if the number of workers is 20. So from here, we can understand the whole situation. Okay, so we look here. The Qn given is 10n minus 1 over 4n squared. So Qn equal to 10n minus 1 over 4n squared. And then the Rq is equal to 40Q. Rq equal to 40Q. So total revenue is R. So this is total revenue. So determine the total revenue. So total revenue I want to determine. Okay. Why I put Qn inside? because they say the number of worker is 20. So Q inside here, you only can get the worker N 20. So this QN must be inside here because the Q is here. So it's RQN. So equal to R, this become composite function, RQN. Okay. So this QN I put inside here. Then Qn here, I must replace inside the R function. So here replace inside the Q here. Okay, because it's the Q is here. So replace inside the R, Q. So I replace inside here. Because this Q replace inside Q here. So 40 bracket 10n minus 1 over 4n squared. 40 times 10n, you get 400n, minus 40 times 1 over 4n squared, you get minus 10n squared. You got the function for RQN. Then after that, you say the worker is 20, so worker is 20. So the n is 20. Okay, it's not R20, it should be N20. Okay, N20, the worker is 20, so 20, so this one R20 is correct. Okay, N is 20. So 20 over here, 400 times 20 minus 10 times 20 square. So I get from calculator, this one multiply minus 10 multiply 20 power 2. So you get answer is RM 4,000 because total revenue in Ringgit Malaysia. So RM 4,000. So inverse functions. So inverse functions over here, this one might be a bit confusing, but you must understand the diagram very well. Okay, so fx equal to y. So when you inverse the function is f power negative 1, inverse, then we call inverse function f, okay, y, sorry, y maps to x, okay, or y equal to function f become x equal to inverse function y. Okay, let's look at the diagram to understand better. If this fx equal to image y, f of x object equal to image y, fx equal to y. Okay, this concept. When you inverse it the other way around, f inverse fy equal to x. Inverse fy equal to x. Now you can see the relation. Okay. So from here, if y equal to fx function, actually is fx to y, same thing. Then x equal to inverse y function. Okay, it's the same thing. So inverse fx not equal to 1 over fx. The inverse different on 1 over. This must follow the diagram over here, not 1 dy. That is matrix, not this one. Okay, so we look at example 13. In the arrow diagram, this is the arrow diagram. Okay, the function f maps to y, function x maps to y. Okay, so the function f maps to y, okay, determine inverse f 5. Okay, so inverse function f5 for the object 5. Okay, so this is inverse f function from 5 become answer 3. Just now if fx, you get the object here, object 3, image is 5. So if inverse the other way around, from image answer, the object is become this is the inverse object, so the image is 3. So answer is 3. Okay, just follow this map. Then we look at example 14. A function is defined as fx equal to x over x minus 4 and x not equal to 4. Why x not equal to 4? Because 4 minus 4 you get 0. Impossible, cannot be 0 bottom. So determine A, the image of f under f, image of 2 under f. Okay, so you want to find the image of 2. So this object means, okay, means f power f2. Object is 2. You want to find the image of the f. It's not inverse function. So replace this one with 2, replace this one with 2. 2 over 2 minus 4. 2 over 2 minus 4, you get from calculator is -1. That's the answer for image of 2 under function f. So B, inverse f, function f of 3. Okay, so before you want to get inverse function f, you need to find the inverse of f. Okay, so let's say, okay, you got this diagram. Okay, from this diagram, this is the object, this is the image. So inverse, no, the function f maps from A to 3. Okay, so if I want to find the answer for inverse f, if from 3, the image for you, what is the answer is A equal A. F function inverse f 3 equal to A. Okay, so we need to find this one. Okay, so A equal to inverse function f 3. Okay, this one is f object A equal to image 3. Okay, so object A, I can use this one. Okay, this example, I use A only. Okay, then I replace x with A. So A over A minus 4. A over A minus 4 equal to 3. Okay, so from here on to get A. A equal 3 times A minus 4. So 3A minus 3 times 4, 12. So I want to get A. 3A minus A is 2A equal -12 bring over, become +12. So A equal to 12 divided by 2, you get 6. So inverse function f for object 3 equal to A. A is equal to 6. So the answer is 6.